That is not right at all. That is completely wrong. That is totally wrong. That could not be any more wrong. Welcome back to the house edition. Today, I'm going to try to get everything ready so we can get sheathing on this roof. And then we'll put the felt paper down on top of it. It's like a composite paper. So before I get the sheathing on, I have a couple things I need to address. Number one is the pipe issue up on the roof. Number two is going to be cutting out the existing sheathing under where I'll be putting the new sheathing, the existing sheathing on the old roof deck. Number three is going to be getting this gable end sheathed and closed in. And then the fourth item will be getting that tie vac and tie vacking the last 10 inches at the soffit line. So I'm going to go ahead and start by doing this sheathing on the gable end. I think that'll be easier before we put the roof sheathing on. So let's get started. So I have someone coming this afternoon to help me with the roof sheathing. So rather than try to force doing this sheathing now, I think I'm just going to wait. I'd rather have an 8-foot piece, and it'd be a lot easier with another set of hands, even if it was just to hand it up to me. So I think I'm going to shift to just doing the tie vac here and on the far side. So now I need to remove this sheathing in here so I can get to that pipe and extend it up a little bit higher on the roof line. So I'll probably go ahead and cut out this sheathing all in this area here. That way I can ventilate across into this new roof area, and it'll come out the combined ridge. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, when I do it like that, it's clearing up by like 1/4 of an inch, so. Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. It's been a while, but I have done this. That looks good. Okay, we got it all framed. So I'm gonna try now to get the waterproof material down, the button cap down, and then hopefully we'll be good to go. Yeah.